Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox clothes not showing in-game. First, let's cover some basic checks. Always ensure your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection can prevent assets from loading. Next, make sure your Roblox application is fully updated. Outdated versions often cause display glitches. Also, double-check that the clothing item is still in your inventory. Finally, a simple restart of both the game and your device can resolve many temporary issues. Now, let's dive into in-game settings and cache. Sometimes, clothing layers might not apply correctly, so confirm they are set up properly in your avatar editor. Clearing the game's local cache files can often refresh asset data and fix display problems. If you are using an ad blocker or a VPN, try disabling them temporarily, as they can sometimes interfere with game content loading. Re-equipping the item in the avatar editor can also force a refresh. Moving on to your account and the Roblox website. A simple log out and log back in can often resynchronize your account data. It's also wise to review your account's privacy settings, as certain restrictions might prevent items from displaying. Always confirm that the clothing item is genuinely owned by your account and not just a temporary asset. If issues persist, try accessing Roblox from a different web browser to rule out browser-specific problems. Finally, for more advanced steps and when to seek support. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox application can often resolve deep-seated issues. Test if the problem persists on a different device or network to pinpoint if it's a local or account-wide problem. If the issue continues, it's time to report the specific problem to Roblox support. Remember to provide detailed information and any relevant screenshots to help them assist you efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.